Hi, I'm Nadia Ali from Henna, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Jagua Kit by Earth Henna. So in this kit you will find a sheet of instructions with 2 sheets of designs, eucalyptus oil, the Jagua base gel, and a plastic cone. So in this bag you get the freeze-dried Jagua powder, a dropper, several flat toothpicks, and a tip for the bottle. Besides everything that comes in the kit, you'll also need a cup and scissors. So you want to take the plastic cone and put it in your cup. You're going to transfer the base gel into the cone bag. So the other thing you're going to need is water. And we're going to be adding water to the little bottle using the dropper. So here's my glass of water. According to the instructions, you want to fill up water to the top of this sticker right here where the arrow is pointing. Okay, so then tighten the cap back on and then mix it so it all turns into a liquid. It's pretty dissolved. And then you're going to open this and put it into the plastic cone bag. Okay. Let's squeeze out all of the air and make sure it's completely sealed from the top. And then now you want to mix the gel with the liquid. Once you feel like everything has been properly mixed, you want to move it towards the bottom. And I recommend laying it flat and cutting a small tip, like a very small piece off at the bottom. Okay. So once that's cut, now you're going to transfer everything, the Jagua gel, from the plastic cone bag to the bottle. And this is the same bottle that had the freeze-dried powder in it. You should be a little careful so you don't get any of the gel on your fingers. And then once the entire gel is in the bottle, now you can actually put the tip on it. So now your Jagua gel is ready to use. So for this next step, I brought in a friend of mine, Deepika.
Hello.
Deepika is here to show you guys how to use the Jagua kit to create a design yourself at home without having to be a professional henna artist. So what you'll need is the eucalyptus oil packets that came in the kit. So here's one for you. The bottles that we had made with the Jagua gel. I recommend using like a small bowl or something so you could put the eucalyptus oil into. And here are your toothpicks and cotton swabs. There are stencils that are available in the kit. The next thing you want to do is choose a design and then cut it out of the sheet. Then what you want to do is apply a generous amount of the eucalyptus oil onto the part of your hand where you want the design to be. Then you want to take your design and place it face down on the eucalyptus oil. Use your entire hand and enough pressure so that the design gets transferred over to your skin. So the one cool thing about this is that if you mess up or your design is crooked or anything like that, you could use the eucalyptus oil, wipe off the design, and use the stencil again. It is actually good for up to 6 times. Now that the design is on our arm, we're going to go ahead and trace it with the Jagua gel. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. My design is a little bit more like intricate. If you can't tell, then you can always like look back.